Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a Wix dropshipping website step by step. Alright, once you are logged in into your Wix account, you should be seeing like this if you have some previous websites. But if you don't have one, or if you don't have an account, then you should go to wix.com and then sign up. And then after that, you should be seeing something like this when you sign up. But in my case, I'll just create a new site right here since I already have some previous ones. And you'll be seeing something like this, but we'll just be setting it up without AI. We'll be going for this option, so we'll be clicking on that. And then from here, what type of website do you want to create? So you want to go for a dropship e-com store right here. So you want to go and select that. It's very important that you select the right answer right there. So you want to make sure that you have the dropship e-com store, because that would enable Wix to suggest tips and things to you that is relevant to your store. And from here, you can enter your store name, maybe something like just dropship right there, and click continue. And then on this one right here, we'll just be skipping all of this right here. We'll just be adding our name for our store. Now we'll be skipping that, and we'll be clicking on design site right here. Click on that, and then we'll be starting in designing our site, or picking out a template right here that would work great in a drop shipping store. So let's just refresh and click on pick a template. And then from here, you would be seeing something like this. So you want to pick one that would suit best your brand style. So in my case, I think I'll just go with this one. I like the product color with this, so I'm gonna click on edit. So let's say we want that template. And then from here, it will now be loading, and it would be taking us into the editor page of our Wix website. Alright, so now once you're here in the Wix editor page, you can now just use this one if you want to. This can serve as your reference or guide, but in my case, I'll just skip this one, and let's proceed right here. So from here, as you may already know, Wix is famous for its ease of use or drag and drop features. So all you have to do basically to edit your website or maybe add something is to just drag and drop it. And if you want to edit something, all you have to do is click on your this section that you want to edit, and you can click on manage products, and then you can just edit it right away. But this is not our focus, but we'll be just adding our product right here. We'll not be focusing on designing our site. So we'll just be adding our product, so that, because that is very important when you're dropshipping a store, because you would need to add your product, right? So you would need to go here into my business icon right here. You need to click on that. And then from here, this is basically where you would need to manage your store or dropship store. As you can see, you need to upgrade now in order for you to accept payments. So this is also very important to discuss. We'll be discussing that later on at the end of this video. So first off is you would add your product. So you can click on this one right here, add a product. And then from here, you'd be able to see all your product actually. You'd be taking into the dashboard, and you can see all the product that is in your store. But all of this are just sample products that was added into your store. So you can just delete this if you don't want that anymore. So to add a product, you can click here, add new product right here, and you can go for physical or digital file. In my case, I'll just go for a physical product right here. And then after that, you would be taken right here. So you can go for the title of your product. So sample product number one, and then you can add some images if you'd like to. You can click add images, and then you'd be taken here. And I'm just gonna go select a media from Wix. I'm just gonna select a random one just so that you can see on how it would be added into our website, just like so. And then maybe we're gonna put up the price right here, something like that, and we're gonna click on save. And of course, this is just a sample, so I didn't tweak a lot of settings, but in your case, you should tweak the settings right here. Like for example, description, this is very important. And now we're gonna click on save. And now we have successfully added our product. And this is also very important that you need to connect a payment method, which we'll be discussing later on. But we'll just see if our product is now added into our product gallery in our website. We're just going to click on close, and we don't see it yet. But yeah, we just need to refresh right here. Let's refresh right there. Reload. And then we should be seeing it right here. And when we scroll down, we'll be seeing our product in our product gallery. Let's just wait for this one to load. And now it's currently loading. And as you can see, there it is. We can now see our product right here that we have just added. So yeah, that is basically how easy it is to add a product on Wix. So you can get started with that with your drop shipping website. And actually, there is a lot more that you would need to set up, but this is the most important one. So I just showed you that on how easy it is. And when you go back into my business, and you have a lot of steps right here that you need to settle, like for example, your payment methods and your shipping regions right here. But don't worry, that is very easy. All you have to do is go follow the steps right here, click on setup shipping, and get paid. And now let's proceed into the pricing. So this is the price of Wix if you're planning in getting your business right here. And I suggest that you at least get the core one right here for starters, because you'd get the basics that you would need right here in order for you to get started on Wix. So it's only $4 a month, so I'm sure you can invest that much into your store. That is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.